Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to add Meta Facebook Pixel to hosting your website builder. First is to create a Meta Pixel. Go to Meta Events Manager, visit the Meta Events Manager, and log into your Facebook account. Click on Connect Data Sources and select Web. Choose Meta Pixel and click Connect. Now enter a name for your pixel and your website URL, then click Continue. Now get your pixel code. Select Install Code manually, and then copy the pixel-based code provided. Step 2. Add the pixel to Hostinger Website Builder. Open Hostinger Website Builder, log into your Hostinger account, and then go to your website project. Now access Site Settings. In the editor, click on the Settings icon. Then select Website Settings from the menu. Now insert pixel code. Scroll down to Tracking and Analytics. Click on Code and select Header. Paste the pixel-based code you copied earlier and then save the changes. Step 3. Verify your pixel installation. Click on the Publish button to make the changes live. Check with MetaPixel Helper. Install the MetaPixel Helper extension for Google Chrome. Visit your website and use the extension to check if the pixel is firing correctly. Lastly, test and confirm. In the test event sections, enter your website URL and click Open Website. Perform actions on your site, like visiting different pages, to see events populate in the Event Manager. And then confirm data collection. If events are showing, your pixel is working correctly. If not, double check the code placement and ensure your website is publishly correct. And that's basically it.